We'll spend the day one in finding the right skill. I would really like to emphasize on this because this is the foundation, the most important step in the entire action plan. So I want you to take extra time in this phase and ask these questions to yourself and research it on the internet as well. Think about what you are good at. What industry were you in before you considered becoming a freelancer? What is actually in demand? And what can you offer to the client that can help solve their problem? So, on day one, you need to research a lot on the internet and within yourself that what is something that you can offer to the world in return of some value. But that has to interest you as well. Because if it interests you, you can take that long term. You love writing, you love painting, sketching, marketing, developing apps, or giving fitness tips, or whatever it is that excites you and gives value to the people. That's the skill you need to sell. That's the thing to go for. But you say, Omer, I just want to work and make incredible income no matter what the work is, no matter if it interests me or not, then what should I do? Then the action plan is little different. Then I would say Google out the upcoming trends and learn that skill. For example, Web 3.0, blockchain, Amazon Web Services, artificial intelligence. Now these are something new and incredible and can make you insane amount of money with freelancing. Look at other freelancers in those areas. What services are they offering and at what price point? Are there any additional services you can add from your own experience? A quick Google search will bring the answers to these questions. Remember, you don't need to start with a concrete strategy. The beauty of freelancing is that it leaves you room to grow and develop your skills as you go. So embrace that. Now we move to the day 2. On day 2, we are finding all freelancing platforms. Hope you have found the right skills now. Now it's totally action time. Find at least 5 freelancing platforms that are working really well. The top performing freelancing platforms are TopTal, Fiverr, Upwork, Legit, Contra. And I'll add a list with this class of all freelancing websites that you should join. So make sure you check out all of them and make an account on at least 5 of them. One more important thing, make a new email ID for these accounts or use an ID that you are not using on any other website. This email should only be used for freelancing websites. So you have all of the things at one place and you get notification for each one of them. Now move to day 3. Draft 7 services related to each other. On this day, you need to draft the services that you are going to offer to client. Most of these websites have the option to upload several gigs. The term gig is a slang word for a job that lasts a specified period of time. Basically, a single professional engagement, usually of a short duration. So, you need to create 7 gigs related to the skills you are offering. It will be like 7 different branches of your skills, and it will increase the chances of getting jobs by 7 times. But make sure all gigs should be related to one niche. I repeat, one niche only. For example, if you're selling writing services, so your gig should be related to writing blog, writing stories, writing pitch decks, writing proposals. See, these are the 3 examples of different gigs you can make out of one skill. Similarly, you need to think about it. Create a beautiful description for each and create 3 images for each of them on Canva. Canva is a free to use online graphic design tool. Use it to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and more. So you can create these images on Canva too. Want to get more exposure? So make one video too related to your services. Videos are performing really well these days and you can use them on your gigs and social media as well. Fiverr says gigs with videos perform 4 times better.